What's the biggest sacrifice you've had to make to stay in this industry?
I think when I just started, my mother never liked it. My mother is a Christian. I'm from a Christian background. Big up Jesus. So people used to like bring certain things to her, show her videos.
What?
And all of that. Yeah, they used to talk about me. When they used to talk about me, I know them a big me up. The same people. Them. Even some persons that live within the same community as them used to say certain things to my granny.
What?
And all of that. So
That's
I
so
think
crazy.
that was really like, and then time they just start. Some of them have no sense.
Yeah.
The full and made it soft.
Oh God.
But then things start to change. When I start make money, them start to me and make money. You know, family say already. And then I have an aunt. Shout out to my aunt. She's more like me. Like me and I share the same personality. So when my mother used to be like, my mother said, no, Lord, she do what she want to. Yeah, my auntie had a passa and the big up Auntie Pat.
Big up yourself, Auntie Pat.
So eventually mommy got used to it. She didn't want to accept it, but eventually she did. So I think that was the only time when we didn't really have her. But besides that, nah. I live my best life.